This 2022 Jeep Wagoneer is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge, Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by Wush 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, gas-electric V8 5.7L 345 engine, and has 82,770 miles. Explore the open road in style with a reliable 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. Adventure awaits. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.